Welcome back to Beautyistic, the channel where we dive deep into the world of beauty tools and products. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the COSLUS Electric Nail Drill File Professional, a versatile kit designed for all your manicure and pedicure needs. This nail drill is a powerhouse in a compact package, boasting adjustable speeds and 6 different drill bits that make it suitable for polishing or removing acrylic, gel, and dip powder nails. Whether you're tackling thick nails or simply refining your cuticles, this tool has you covered. The pen-shaped design is not only ergonomic, but also lightweight, making it incredibly easy to handle, even for beginners. And let's talk about noise. This drill operates quietly, thanks to its upgraded motor that also ensures low heat generation, enhancing its durability. When it comes to performance, the COSLUS Electric Nail Drill doesn't disappoint. In my experience, the drill was incredibly efficient in removing gel polish and smoothing out thick nails without any discomfort. The adjustable speed and direction controls allow for precise work, whether you're dealing with delicate cuticle areas or tougher spots. The portability of this device is a huge plus. You can easily pack it up and take it with you, making it perfect for on-the-go nail care. But like any product, it's not without its downsides. The lack of a foot pedal means you'll need to manually control the speed and direction, which might be a slight inconvenience for some. Additionally, while it's great for personal use, professionals might find it a bit underpowered compared to industrial-grade drills. Now, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest and in-depth reviews. Comparatively, the COSLUS drill stands up well against other models in its price range. While it doesn't reach the high RPMs of some premium drills, it offers a balance of performance, portability, and ease of use that's hard to beat for the price. For those on a budget, alternatives like the AirC Portable Electric Nail Drill Set might be worth considering, especially if you're a beginner looking for a cost-effective solution. In terms of build quality, the COSLUS drill is solid, with no noticeable design flaws or durability issues during my testing. The materials used are sturdy, and the overall construction feels reliable for long-term use. It's also user-friendly, with a straightforward setup that even a first-timer can handle with ease. While I didn't have the opportunity to interact with COSLUS customer support, the product's reputation for durability and the lack of widespread complaints suggest that they stand behind their products well. In real-world testing, the COSLUS drill performed admirably in various scenarios, from removing tough gel polish to smoothing out thick toenails. The results were consistently good, with no overheating or significant drops in performance. In summary, the COSLUS Electric Nail Drill File Professional is a great option for anyone from beginners to nail art enthusiasts looking for a reliable and portable nail drill. It's especially suited for those who want salon-quality results at home without breaking the bank. While there are more powerful options out there, for the price, this drill delivers excellent value for money. So, who is this product for? It's ideal for those who love doing their nails at home and want a tool that's easy to use, portable, and effective. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the COSLUS Electric Nail Drill is a worthy addition to your beauty arsenal. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in trying out this product, check out the link in the description. And as always, feel free to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Have you tried the COSLUS nail drill? What did you think? Let's chat.